good. We still got like 5 hours left.
Yep.
Everything's good.
People driving like crazy out here.
People driving like maniacs.
Love it.
Someone's coming down the street on a scooter like a maniac. I was like, where are my keys? They in the car. Miro, come on. I really can't use.
Cool. Let's go ahead and talk about the New Balance 990 V3s. And you see that on the box? They name their shoes weird. I don't know what the GY means. They should just put 990 V3, for all the newbies like myself. 75 years of great quality sneakers. And this is a very, very popular New Balance, the 990 V3. And I'm still in my infancy days of learning these numbers and codes, and there's a method to their madness, and when I read it, I couldn't explain it during this video, so I'll work on it. But I do wear these shoes at least a mile. This is me walking about a mile and a half. I take this walk every single day I'm at work, so the shoes do get a nice test. Like, they do get the walking test. These are made for walking, and they're made for chilling, and they're very, very, very comfortable and beautiful sneakers. That's the V4 I just pushed up in here. I'll bring it back again a little later. Yeah, I'm trying to remind myself to explain it, but the V4, the one in the bottom, I love that shoe. To me, that shoe is a little more comfortable. It's a little wider base, a little bit more firm, but we'll go back to that in a second. With the 99 V3, again, this was made in 1998, I believe. Let me check that. Okay, I was wrong. It's actually 2012 is when they came out with this silhouette. The V4, which I just showed you, I think was 2016. And then now they have the V6, and I'm going to be showing you guys that one. Today's the day when the Action Bronson Lapis Lazulis came out. Yeah, look at that transitional suede. It's really good. But today the Lapises came out, and I thought I was going to hit. When I jumped on, there was like 3,000 more people ahead of me, and I did not get the Lapises. So whatever, I got the V3s. You guys saw the end cap right there. New Balance, they really do like to put their tech on the shoe. And what I came to realize is this is still a bunch of foams. And what I mean by that is I come from the Nike world mostly, and Nike deals with foam and they deal with like air. But New Balance seems to deal with multiple different foams. And they got the Endurance up there. That's just for the rubber that they're using. And yeah, some carbon fiber there too. Very interesting. Interesting pattern there. I think this is meant again for walking. It's supposed to transition your body energy to the front of the shoe and improve your strides. And I guess that what that means is, for me, I find that to be true. It does make me feel like my steps in walking are, hold on. This part right here is very important. So if you just read that really quick, it's basically saying that 70% of the materials are made in the US and the others are not. So that still means parts of this sneaker in my hand are made overseas in China. And I guess they're assembled either here in the US or they're in China. I don't know, but that's just saying they're not 100% made in the United States, which is pretty normal. That is a Ortholite insole, and they actually brag about having Ortholite insoles in their shoes. They're like, yo, it's Ortholite. And I'm like, okay, I deal with Jordan 1s, and I'm looking for polyurethane. So two different worlds, optimal control. Don't know what that really means. Maybe the tongue doesn't pinch your foot. I don't know. Optimal control seems like more of a a football or a soccer term to me. But the shoe's beautiful, and like I was saying with the walking and the strides, it makes you feel like you're more planted when you walk. I think these New Balances have actually helped my knee get better because Jordan 1s are more of a flatter shoe. And this is, again, it's designed for you to be walking really, really light, super light. These shoes are not heavy. They use all these premium materials with synthetics, and the shoe is not heavy at all. Another look at the carbon fiber right there. I think of Jordan 11 anytime I see carbon fiber on a sneaker. That's the Endurance again. Again, that's just a rubber that they're using for the shoe, which is really, really good rubber. Here's the V4 again. They just put plastic on the V4, and that's funny because the V4 is after the 3, obviously, and they didn't use carbon fiber for whatever reason. Plastic's okay, and the things on the bottom of the shoe I'm not really too picky about, but I do like the hairy suede on the V4. Not all the time, though. I don't need the hairy suede all the time, but it does look good, and it picks up a lot of grass and lint and things like that. I'll show you that in that video for the V4s, but just comparing them, we're just looking at 2 beautiful shoes, and there's more to come. I got like 2 or 3 more videos, the V6s, 5s, and all that stuff, so I'll catch you guys later. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on IG, and that's pretty much it. Go buy some shoes. Watch more of my videos. Peace. Love you guys.